Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for business. First, let's get started. Canva offers an incredibly intuitive platform, making professional design accessible for everyone in your business. You can choose from over 250,000 pre-designed templates, perfect for social media, presentations, or marketing materials. Plus, uploading your unique brand assets like logos and specific color palettes is straightforward, ensuring your designs always reflect your company's identity from the very beginning. Establishing a strong brand identity is crucial for business recognition. Canva's Brand Kit feature is a powerful tool for this. It allows you to store all your essential brand elements, your specific fonts, official color palettes, and company logos, in one central location. This means you can apply your brand's look and feel to any design with just one click, ensuring every piece of content, from a social media post to a presentation, maintains perfect consistency and professionalism. Now, let's dive into creating impactful marketing materials. Canva empowers your business to design everything from eye-catching social media posts to professional presentations and flyers. You gain access to an extensive library of over 100 million stock photos, videos, and graphic elements, ensuring your content is always visually appealing. Furthermore, Canva facilitates real-time collaboration, allowing your team to work together efficiently on design projects, streamlining your creative workflow significantly. Finally, let's explore some advanced features that boost efficiency. Canva allows you to schedule your social media content directly to multiple platforms, saving you precious time. The Magic Switch feature is incredibly useful, letting you instantly resize any design for different platforms, like an Instagram story to a LinkedIn banner, with just a few clicks. These powerful tools help automate repetitive tasks, significantly streamlining your design process and allowing your business to focus on growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.